Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a pair of woodland tongs. One of the things that you will often hear said in bushcraft is the more you know, the less you have to carry. And so the idea is there that you are able to make things as you go. So rather than having to take them with you, you make it. And so tongs would fit nicely into that category. So tongs are going to be really useful for outdoor cooking, but it's something that you probably don't want to be carrying around in your bag. So I'm going to show you how I go about making a set of tongs. I have a piece of green sycamore that I'm going to use. Doesn't necessarily have to be sycamore. I could have used hazel, for example, or maybe a birch pole or an ash pole. Something that's going to produce that long, straight pole. Green is important, however. It's going to give the flexibility. So a piece of sesame wood is likely to just break as it's being used. On top of that, I've just got a little piece of paracord and my knife. What I'm going to do is use my knife to batten down through the stick like this. But to prevent the split from going all the way down, I'm going to tie a little bit of paracord around the stick, somewhere about here, and I'm going to do what's called a whip. So I've taken the piece of paracord, just kind of doubled it over there, and to lay it on top of the piece of sycamore like this. And now I'm going to wrap the cord around the stick like this. And laying, so each time I kind of turn this around here, I'm pulling it nice and tight, like that. So I've laid them in close to each other and tight, like so. And now, before I run out, what I'm going to do is just pop it through this loop, like so. And now this end I'm going to pull like that. So can you see what's happening there is that pulls itself tight in upon itself like that. And now I can just trim that little bit off on the end. Now I'm going to batten down through my stick like this. I'm just gently tapping it. And so the whip has served its purpose. It's stopped the split from going any further. I can, if I wish, shape them a little bit, so just to make them perhaps a little thinner. Turn it around, do the same on the other side. So I've thinned them out a little bit. Now I'm just taking a little stick and pop it down there, like so, pull it in just to force the two parts apart, and now a set of tongs. So, as simple as that. I hope that's something you found useful, something that you can include into your own bushcraft skill set. I'll try my best to get some more content out next week. Make sure you don't miss out on that. You could subscribe either to our blog or to our YouTube channel, both of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. Until then, take care.